Hi honeyboos, welcome back to my channel. Everyone that is new on this channel, you're welcome. Thank you for deciding to click on this video, and to the ones that are returning, and to all my regulars, welcome once again. And I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video because I'm sure it's going to be useful to a whole lot of people, so as you can see the title of the video, I'll be showing you guys a very easy way to do your eyebrows quickly. This is literally gonna be easy. So if you guys would like to follow on the tutorial, you're more than welcome to take your mirror, and you're just gonna need your mascara. You're just gonna need your mascara. So what you're gonna need, you're gonna take your mascara, the brush of your mascara, and what you do, I hope you guys can see, I hope you guys can see. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna slightly brush your eyebrows with the mascara brush, not too much. Don't press too much because there'll be a whole lot of mess. So please be careful and be gentle when you do this, sharp. So you're gonna slightly brush your natural eyebrows like this, slightly upwards. Yes, they're looking weird, I know, but hold on, hang in there and enjoy. And there we go. Now, what's wrong? Where's my ding? So now, what you're gonna do is take your concealer and conceal the eyebrows. So now you're gonna do the top part, and I think it's gonna be, yeah, you're gonna do the top part, never mind that. So guys, if you are the type that loves natural eyebrows that look natural, and don't like those ones that are bold, and you know the regulars, I would suggest that you go with these ones, honestly. So yeah, you shape it the way you want it to be like, and we're done. We don't even need to fade. I think we're gonna mess things up here if you fade them. And there we go. These are the natural ways you can do your eyebrows very quickly, literally. You see? And they're nice though. They're pretty, I know, and they're so adorable. So I'll do the other eyebrow off camera, and you'd see how pretty they look. I hope you guys were able to get this eyebrow. It's so nice, ne? Yo, okay guys, here is the final look. This is really amazing. This is literally amazing. I'm gonna try to come close to the camera. You see how it looks? It's so fantastic. I hope this was useful. So I didn't put on my lashes, so it's literally not my final look, because without lashes there's no final look, right? So yes, the reason why I didn't put on my lashes, it's because after this video that I'm filming right now, I'm still gonna film another video whereby I show how I put on my lashes. So I'm just gonna film that video right now after doing this one. Anyway, I hope you guys really did enjoy this video, and I hope it was useful, and I hope it was the number one solution that I brought to everyone that has been struggling to get the glam eyebrows that everyone does. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you know the drill. You know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that button right now. Hit that button right now, please. And you can give this video a thumbs up if indeed you really enjoyed, and if you know a girl that is really struggling with how they do their eyebrows and everything, you can just share the link, Motase. Share the link. Help another woman out there. The notification button so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And once again, I'm working on my consistency, honestly. But guys, if I really need to be consistent, please don't hesitate to suggest to me the kind of videos that you'd like me to bring to you guys, or recommendations. You can DM me or add a comment below. Don't forget. But then I tried to make this video short, and I hope you guys really did enjoy once again. And thank you for tuning in once again, and stay tuned on this next video that's coming up, where I show you how to put on the lash. Thank you guys once again. Bye. Mwah.